Hi class, my name is Catrice Lowe, and I wanted to take the time to talk about the service learning project that I chose for this course. I decided to do a daily dinner volunteer for the homeless community in Montgomery, Alabama, and I found this opportunity on a website called Hands On River Region. And on this website, it did have an abundance of different volunteer opportunities, but helping out the homeless community to me was something that I felt stood out to me the most. Throughout this slideshow, you will see that I took pictures of my time at the dinner. I did not take pictures of any of the individuals that were in attendance just because I wanted to ensure I didn't violate anyone's privacy. This event is held every weekday, holidays included, from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. On this slide, you can see I took a picture of the church where the event is held at. And like I said, it is held in downtown Montgomery, Alabama. And this learning project consisted of feeding and providing fresh clothes to the homeless community. I decided to take a picture of this house, which was right across the street from the church, just to show the neighborhood where this agency decided to hold these events for the dinners. Reality and Truth Ministry serves a rough average of 40 homeless individuals a day in the Montgomery um, area. When I was there, one of the unique things that I learned was that it's not just Reality and Truth Ministries that does this. They're the ones that are over the whole program. However, there's different churches that come in each day to provide a hot meal for this homeless community. So the group that I was with when I volunteered, they told me that they're there every other month on the third Thursday. So that just speaks to the volume of how many different churches come together to provide a hot meal for this homeless community. On this slide is a description of the roles that were performed. There were additional roles that I did not put on here, but these were just the roles that I helped contribute towards. And that was basically setting up and helping put together to-go trays with food in it. Because of COVID, they no longer do like a like a hot serve and go kind of buffet style. They do the to-go trays. I guess it's more sanitary that way. Greeting individuals when they arrive, passing out the food, plasticware, and water, and also distributing fresh clothes. Like I said, there were other things. I know they have financial advisors that are there. Um, if you want to have a Bible study, that was there too, and that's done every day. But like I said, those were the things that I listed are the things that I did participate in. On this slide, you can see the area where they would come in and sit. Now, this area was technically closed because of COVID, but there were some people that did sit in there to eat their food. But the project expectations and outcomes, I just believe in giving some form of relief to individuals is just a blessing and allowing people to get out of the elements. The day before, so that Wednesday before I went, it was raining really bad and they still had this church open. They were still providing warm meals and just allowing people to kind of reset. You know, it's not a permanent fix to this major issue in the United States, but it's allowing an individual to reset and make it through to the next day. I created this pie chart, and on this pie chart, it shows the homeless community that's in Alabama. And this was as of January 2020. And there were 3,351 homeless individuals in the state of Alabama. So even though, you know, the hot meals every day isn't a fix to an issue, like I said before, it was just kind of a temporary fix. And a lot of the times when I'm driving on the street and I see homeless individuals sitting on the side of the road, it kills me because I want to help, but I'm afraid if I give the money to them, the money can be used in a way that I may not feel is beneficial to them. So giving them food, giving them clothes, giving them just an ear if someone just wants to have a conversation with you, to me, I feel like is helping. So this has nothing to do with my degree plan, my career goals, or my vocation. But like I said, when I sat back and I went onto that website, what spoke to me the most was wanting to help out with the people that I feel like really needed the help. I feel like giving to someone is the best blessing, and showing that selfless act is a way to help me better understand the Wayland community. In closing comments, I really did enjoy this experience, and I told them, expect to see me once a week.